Under the hood of the 4th generation Nissan Maxima, only 6-cylinder naturally aspirated gasoline engines of 2.0, 2.5 and 3.0 liters were installed. The 2.5-liter unit was intended for the Asian market. Each of these engines has 24 valves and 4 camshafts. Units of the VQ series have a timing chain type drive, NVG, one of the 3-liter belt type. Engines of the VQ family are widely used and actively used in Nissan Altima, 350Z, Murano, Infiniti FX, etc. All units are virtually flawless. The only serious drawback is the defective ignition coils that were used in 3-liter engines in 1998 to 2000. Later, Nissan held a service campaign to replace problem coils. The American version of the 3.0-liter engine differs in several details, including the intake system and the overly restless exhaust gas control system, in copies from California. Here, the air mass meter and the NOx sensor do not differ in durability, causing the check engine indication to turn on. Another drawback is a weak starter. 3-liter units are quite voracious. Motors with a capacity of 2 liters are much more economical. They cost 11 to 12 L/100 kilometers in the city. However, the 3-liter engine coupled with a manual transmission allows for a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 8.3 seconds. All samples have only front-wheel drive. The suspension of the 4th Maxima is a step back in comparison with the previous generation. If in 1988 to 1994 a multi-link design was installed at the rear, then the new model received a torsion beam on longitudinal balancers. But for buyers of older used cars, this is a plus. The rear suspension is virtually indestructible. The front axle is fitted with classic McPherson struts with wishbones. The scheme is less hardy, but allows you to restore working condition for a reasonable price. Typical problems and malfunctions. Short-lived ignition coils for 3.0 V6 engines. A starter, sometimes requiring replacement after 60,000 kilometers. Wedging calipers of the rear brake mechanisms. Failing airflow and detonation sensors. Creaky trunk hinges. Automatic transmission malfunctions, the result of the negligence of the owners. Conclusion: Nissan Maxima is loved for comfort and reliability. If you can find a well-maintained copy, which is quite difficult, then it is definitely worth buying, especially if you are not going to change the car soon.